Ready to unlock some secret strategies to potentially boost your credit score with Experian? Let's dive in. First, understand the traditional route. Experian, like other credit bureaus, allows you to dispute inaccuracies on your credit report. This is your first line of defense. Review your report carefully. You can access this online for free. Now, the backdoor methods we're talking about often involve leveraging less commonly known aspects of credit reporting. One is focusing on rapid rescoring. If you pay down a large chunk of debt, say on a credit card, a creditor might be willing to update Experian immediately. Rather than waiting for the usual reporting cycle, this could give you a quick score bump. Another involves Goodwill Letters. If you've had a late payment but have a good payment history otherwise, writing a polite, sincere letter to the creditor explaining the situation and requesting them to remove the late payment from your report could work. There's no guarantee, but it's worth a try. Importantly, be very cautious of any service promising guaranteed credit repair. These are often scams. Only you can truly fix your credit. Furthermore, don't engage in practices like creating credit privacy numbers or filing frivolous disputes. These are illegal and can get you into trouble. Finally, always verify the legitimacy of any method you consider. Credit laws are complex and constantly changing. Do your research and consult with a reputable credit counselor. If needed, improving your credit is a marathon, not a sprint.